Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unblock someone in OkCupid. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. In order to access your block list, make sure that you have blocked someone. If you want to block someone, first of all, you need to go to their profile. Here you can see in the explore page, I'll just simply click on any profile right now. It will open up the profile page and here you can see the three dots icon. Tap on it. Now tap on this block option over here. It will block this person from my account and it will hide this profile from my feed. Now if I want to unblock this profile, I will need to access the block list in the settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now choose the settings option over here. From the settings menu, you can choose this privacy option. Tap on it. Here you will find the blocked and unmatched profiles option. Tap on it. This will give you the list of profiles that you have blocked. So whoever you want to unblock, you can simply tap on their profile. Again, tap on this three dots icon. And here you'll find the unblock option. You can just simply tap on it. And the person will be unblocked from your account. So that's it. That's a very easy process to unblock anyone in OkCupid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.